What are you doing, Zabi? You can open it? Can you open it?
No, I can't.
What do you mean you can?
Mama.
Oh, you want Mama to help you?
Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
Yeah, let's help you open.
Mama, me, Daddy.
What did Papa buy you today?
Dog.
No, I said, what did Papa buy you today?
Duck.
Truck?
Mama, that's duck. Tell me what Papa bought me.
Well, let's finish with this one first.
Okay.
We're going to open this. You're in front of, excuse me. Sit down, Zabi. Okay. Let's pull this one out. Cyan, can you hold the box there? Take it out.
This is like a TV frame you can use. One of my
Hold on, Zabi. You gotta wait. Oh, I think Mama has to rip this here. I think I'll have to rip it.
I'll buy Mama. Me.
Okay, here, Zabi. You can do the rest yourself.
Okay. Now tell what Papa got me.
Hold on.
Okay. Tell me.
He's not finished. You finished?
You're finished.
What is that?
Duck.
It's a truck?
And
And what's this?
Mama.
A roller?
Yeah.
Nice. They call that a cement roller. Can you, Zabi, can you say cement roller?
That's it.
Cement roller.
Cement roller.
That's right. Okay, let's put the cement roller on the truck and then drive it. Yep, put the cement roller on the truck and drive it. And go. Ooh. All right, Cyan, your turn. What did you get today?
What Papa got?
Yeah, what did Papa buy you today?
A register Minnie Mouse.
It's a, what is it? What is it?
Register.
A register?
Yeah.
It's a Minnie Mouse register. It's the boutique cash register. All right, let's see. How are we going to open?
Now I have one in the Saga Newton.
Okay.
And there's money in this part. Beep beep. No, that's Daddy.
Okay, we're going to pull it there. Oh. They always come with all these little... Here, Sam, can you... Oh! And it fell out.
I need this out. I need this out.
Oh, we need to get a scissors or X-Acto knife. But we still have some stuff here. What do we have here?
Some cards, some these, and some money.
And some money. Okay, so let's take out the money then.
Thank you. Hey, there's some tape.
Well, they have to tape it together, Cyan, so nobody takes it.
I want to take it out.
Okay, now we got some money and some coins. Oh, we got some coins. Look, Cyan. What numbers do we have here?
5.
5. And what number is this one?
2. 10.
10. And
What is it?
well, what numbers do you see there?
Tell me in your mind.
No. What numbers do you see?
2 and a 5.
Okay, when you put them together,
25.
there we go. And they have little bows in the back of the money.
Now, I can open it. What are these? Oh, they're each the friends. There's 2 Minnie Mouses. They're actually a pattern. Look. They're actually a pattern.
Well, we gotta take these off too.
Why?
You gotta fold it, and then you rip along the dotted line. Fold it both ways. It's good. And what numbers do we got here, Cyan?
10,
What's this one?
20,
20? And how about that one?
10.
10?
Me.
And this one?
5.
We got 5. And this one?
1.
Oh, we got 1.
Me, Papa, me. Me. Now I need to see this.
Oh, this is the 10 gun.